welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Fashion Wizardry here, aka Matilda, and today is going to be a transformation video. As you can tell, this is not looking snatched. I'm about to do my hair and my makeup. We're gonna start with laying and slaying a wig, so let's get right into it. Today's wig is another synthetic lace wig from Beauty Cosmetics. If you're not new to this channel, you know that I have been wearing Beauty Cosmetics basically the whole of this year. I have tried a couple of their synthetic wigs and I love them. And yeah, they sent me this lace wig. So it comes in this clear, transparent, that's the same thing. It comes in this clear bag and it looks black. It honestly looks black even in person, but there's a tint of red, so let's take it out. And it has wig caps. This is 2 wig caps. That's normal for Beauty Cosmetics to send me wig caps. I'm actually wearing the same wig cap right now, so this is so exciting. Oh my god, oh my god. Ta-da, ta-da. These 2 wig caps are quite convenient, so yeah. Okay. Ooh, this is so pretty. I'm about to see and slay this. Oh my goodness. I always get so excited for these wigs. Let's just give it a quick spin, see what it looks like without anything being done to it. Girl. So wow, this looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness, that hairline is so beautiful. That hairline is so beautiful. So I'm obviously gonna cut off the lace. I'm gonna snip off this lace and then we can tint it. I'm just going to use my foundation because I'm not a pro and I'm not gonna bleach it. But if that's what you want, then by all means. So I'm just gonna cut off this lace. I'm now going to apply foundation to the whole lace basically, because I do feel like it is a bit tinted, but it doesn't match my skin tone. So I'm just going to use a foundation in my skin tone, go on top of it with a powder, and it will be ready to use with our Goth Topic glue. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. This is what the lace looks like after, wow, I just have this blob of foundation in my hand, excuse that. But this is what the lace looks like after I've applied foundation. I think now it's time to go in with my Goth Topic glue. The wig does feel very loose because the straps snapped off, which is kind of like, oh, you shouldn't have done that. But yeah, I'm just gonna put Goth Topic glue, that way it stays like super flat. Start off with priming my eyes with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I want a very beat face today. It's that kind of day where the beat is gonna be snatched. That doesn't even make sense, but yeah, I want to do like a very full glam makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna blend this in with my finger. This is to just get rid of all the discoloration I have on my lids, and also to act as a primer for my eyeshadow. That way it lasts pretty long, which is never a bad thing. Now that my eyes are primed, I'm going to set them with the Sacha buttercup powder. That way they don't start creasing and it sets the concealer in place. Oh, I always use too much of this powder, honestly. Like honestly, who uses this much powder to set their eye concealer? For my eyes, I feel like going a bit extra because it's just that kind of day. So let's see what happens. I'm going to start with this beautiful color from the Shaaanxo palette. Tap off the excess and build that in my crease. My hair is everywhere. I'm gonna need you to respect me, ma'am. No, thank you. Okay. Say a weekend and the weekend never stress a thing. But we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. I'm gonna pop out a palette I haven't used in ages. I used to use this palette all the time when I started YouTube, and now I've just not been using it. But I feel like it has, oh, it has dust. First of all, instead I'm going to take this brown shade, which I used to use all the time. I'm gonna pack that on my outer, like my outer V. This will hopefully add some dimension and yeah, show up on my skin tone. I think the reason I stopped using this palette, as much as the colors are quite beautiful, most of them really need a lot of packing to show up on my skin tone, which is not exactly something I appreciate, but it's okay. So I'm just packing that in my outer V. I feel like that's good enough. Next, I'm just gonna add a bit of this red to the crease color. I feel like, well, I can't even talk, but I feel like the crease color has disappeared. So I'm just gonna pack on and see if that helps. I'm going to take my NARS concealer, pack some of it on the back of my hand. Taking a flat brush, I'm just gonna cut my crease a bit, maybe a half cut crease. Let's see if that will work out. Is it the best cut crease that's out there? No. Are we gonna work with it? Yes. I'm just gonna spritz on some setting spray onto my brush, that way I can pick up a lot of pigment. Taking my Shaaanxo palette, I'm going to reach into this rose gold color right here, and hopefully it shows up. Oh wow. Just gonna pack that on. Taking my BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to reach into this dark brown color, and I'm going to pack that into my V just to darken it a bit with a pencil brush. I'm gonna try blend this so that they merge together. Now the eyes are looking a bit snatched. Kind of a cut crease, kind of dramatic, kind of everywhere, which is exactly what you want. Now I don't know. I think I'm going to do a bit of eyeliner today. Taking my Wet n Wild liner, I'm going to line my top lid, but only up to the end. I'm not gonna wing it out because I'm not in the mood today. Today is not a winged kind of day. Taking some mascara. This is a Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm just gonna coat my lashes and I'm gonna put on some falsies, offs, but my door keeps opening itself. Like, why? My lash glue is drying so that I can put on some falsies and complete this look, but as they dry, I'm going to do my primer. For primer today, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte. This makeup primer has been my go-to since LA. I just love how it keeps me so matte, and I need the tiniest amount. Honestly, this is a lot. It just mattifies my face like no one's business. I love it. I got these lashes from AliExpress. If I find a link, I'm gonna link them down below. I'm trying them for the first time, so let's see how they look. Now my lashes are on. They're very dramatic, I will admit, but I don't hate them. I think they're okay. For $2, I think they look fine. So now I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. My eyes have taken a bit of a while, so I'm gonna speed this up. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match Foundation in Cappuccino. We gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do believe. Hey, still awake in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more. I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just gonna highlight my face. Baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. And the sides of my nose, I have been getting like a lot of darkness around my nose, which is not cool. Taking a damp beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend all this in. You know you make me smile, oh yeah. You know you make me smile, oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Once I'm looking all bright, as you can see, my face has really brightened up. I'm just going to set this concealer before it caves and starts creasing. I'm using my Sacha buttercup powder. I do go a bit heavy-handed around my mouth because I do get a lot of creasing and I don't want that, so I'm just trying to really set the concealer in these areas. Now my concealer is set. I'm just gonna set everything, my whole face, with my Maybelline powder. This is number 360. I do love my Sleek contour and highlight palette, but of late it's just been too dark, and I'm thinking of switching to the medium when I find it great. But for now, I just really pack on this same powder on my cheekbones. It gives me a very subtle contour that looks very natural, which is something I've been for the past couple of weeks. So yeah, I'm just gonna suck in and contour my face away. As you can see, it gives me a very subtle contour that's skin-like, which is something I love. Gonna go in with my Sacha and define that contour a tiny bit. Then I'm gonna dust that off using the same brush. As you can see, I'm looking contoured, but it's not too dramatic. I am gonna get a contour powder. I'm just yet to find one that works for me. Taking this beautiful pink Outdoor Girl blush. This is in Pink Sand. I'm just gonna put that on my cheekbones, add some color to my face. Using the same pencil brush I used on my outer V, I'm going to take the same dark brown shade and I'm going to pack that onto my bottom lid. As you can see, that just smokes out the look, which is exactly what I'm going for. And then I'm going to coat my lashes with the same mascara I used on my top lashes. I'm going to take the brown shade from the BH Cosmetics palette and I'm just going to slightly contour my nose with that. I'm going to spritz my face with the NYX Matte Finish setting spray. Taking my fan brush, I'm going to take the Shaaanxo palette and I'm going to use this shade right here. It's more golden toned on my skin tone. I'm going to use this to highlight my face. So I put on the more matte lipstick in Sugar, but I didn't quite like it. That's why my lips look a bit dark. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild lipstick in Goth Topic. This is such a dark lipstick, but I feel like for today's look it is perfect. So guys, this is a finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up. That helps me out quite a lot. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and if you're subscribed, I will definitely see you in my next upload. Until then, bye. Woo!